Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of AceBIT Password Depot, a password management solution that claims to offer high-level security, multi-user functionality, and convenience for both individuals and teams. I'll be walking through its interface, features, pricing, and my overall experience after using it for a few weeks. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, professional interface. It feels enterprise-grade, which makes sense because it's aimed at both personal users and businesses. The software is available on Windows, Android, and iOS, and offers synchronization via cloud services or its own server solution, which is a major plus if you care about data ownership. Once you launch the application, you're asked to create or open a password file secured by a master password. This is standard practice, but AceBIT adds a couple of extra layers, like optional key files and two-factor authentication, which enhances security significantly. Navigation is straightforward, with entries for passwords, bookmarks, credit cards, software licenses, and even personal notes. Each section is well organized, and customization options are abundant. Creating a new password entry is simple but packed with options. You can set expiration dates, assign categories, attach files, and even create templates for similar entries. For advanced users, there's also a password policy manager, letting you define how passwords should be structured across the system, ideal for IT admins managing multiple users. Where AceBIT Password Depot stands out is its team functionality. Admins can assign access rights and monitor password usage, which is crucial for business environments. It supports secure sharing of credentials, password history tracking, and logs of who accessed what and when. However, this might be a bit overkill for casual users who just want a place to store Netflix or email passwords. Performance-wise, the app is very stable and responsive. Autotype works well, especially on Windows, though browser integration can sometimes feel clunky compared to competitors, like 1Password or Bitwarden. The browser plugin does support autofilling forms and locking credentials, but it's not as seamless as one would hope. The backup and restore functionality is robust, with encryption at every step. You can choose between local storage, cloud services like Dropbox and OneDrive, or an FTP server. This flexibility is great but might feel overwhelming if you're not tech-savvy. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One area where I think the software could improve is mobile functionality. While it does have apps, they aren't as intuitive or feature-rich as the desktop version. Synchronization also relies heavily on manual configuration unless you're using their own cloud or server, which again, might not suit beginners. As for pricing, AceBIT Password Depot is a one-time purchase with optional upgrades, making it a good long-term investment compared to subscription-based alternatives. They also offer a free trial, which I recommend trying out before committing, especially if you need team features. All in all, AceBIT Password Depot is a powerful, flexible, and secure solution, but it's not perfect. It excels in multi-user and enterprise use, but casual users might find its depth intimidating. Still, if security and control are your top priorities, this could be a great fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews.